Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and I'm gonna show you how to update applications on this watch. We start. If you want to update applications on this watch, your watch needs to be connected to the internet, and also you need to have the Google account copied to your watch so you can use the Google services on it. If you want to connect your watch to the internet, simply wake up the screen on it, go to the settings, so open the menu by swiping up on the screen, tap on the settings icon. In settings, find the option called connections and tap on it, and here tap on Wi-Fi, and right here you can connect to the Wi-Fi network so you can have the internet connection on your watch. Once you have the internet connection, make sure you have the Google account copied to your watch, so go back to settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called accounts and backup, and here tap on Google account, and you should have the account right here. If you don't have it, you can tap on add account and tap on this icon right here. It will open the Galaxy wearable application on your phone, and basically you can follow the instructions to add the account to your watch. Okay, so once you have the internet connection and Google account on your watch, we can continue, and now we can open the Google Play Store on our watch. To do it, swipe up on the screen to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, find the Google Play Store icon and tap on it. And right here, once you open the Google Play Store, scroll down, and at the bottom you should see the option called Manage Apps. Tap on it, and here we have a list of updates available. As you can see, you can find the app you want to update, tap on it, for example this one, and then tap on the update button to update the application. And it's gonna start downloading and installing. And once the update is done installing, you will see the open button right here. You can go back to the manage apps, and you will see that the app disappeared from the updates available list, and you will have one less right here at the top. You can also tap on update all button to queue all of the apps for the update, but it's gonna take a while, so I won't do it. And also you can check the recently updated list to check which apps were updated, and here we have the assistant. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you update applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.